I just want y'all to hear this.
I'm telling y'all, y'all need a super loud alarm app. I've been using Wake. It's really simple. Like, it won't turn off unless you complete the task. I personally like Object Hunt, and it has like a bunch of different things that you can have it set to for you to like take a photo for it to turn off. But it's my favorite thing because it gets me out of the bed. And let me let y'all hear the actual sound that I wake up to every morning, because you think that you won't be able to get to up to this alarm, but yeah, super loud. This is what I wake up to every morning. Absolute life changer.